Hey guys, this is going to be a quick tutorial video on how to initialize the plots that are required for assignment 2. I've gone ahead and imported my data sets through this button right here. I have one CSV and one Excel just to test it out. I'm sure they're going to both work. I'm going to use the athlete data set over here. You can see all the variables, Titanic data set right here, and you can see those variables. Alright, just to jump right in, the first plot we're going to ask you to make in your assignment is a scatter plot, and this is the function that you use to make it. I didn't include all the variables for your assignment because that'd just be a dead giveaway, so you're going to have to use your book and Google a little bit to find out the missing components. But just with this bare line of code here, you will still be able to initialize a scatter plot. So once I attach my data set and I run the plot, whoops, you can see here that a scatter plot appears in the bottom corner under this plots tab in case you lose yourself by clicking any other tab. So within this tab, you see that as height increases, so does weight. In the assignment, we want you to change all these black circles into blue circles and add a regression line. And you can easily find how to do this in your book and on Google. The second plot, we're going to be using this Titanic data set, so I'm going to go ahead and attach that. The second plot is a histogram. This one, we need you to do a little bit more than what I've shown on here. So let me go ahead and run that. So we have the age of the individuals that were present on the Titanic and the number of individuals that were that current age. So with that, we need you to add an x-axis label. I've added a y one here with this y label command. It'll be pretty easy how to add an x label. And the bars that are pretty clear over here, we want you to add a color to them. Any color you want, just fill them in. And that can be found on Google and on, I guess, in your book. The next plot is a bar plot. Go ahead and run that. So see here that on the Titanic there were about 475 females and probably above 800 males. For this, we need you to add or change this vertical orientation into a horizontal orientation. Add x-axis labels and y-axis labels. Include error bars and color in the different bars. So again, these are very, very simple lines of code here that help you initialize the basics of these plots. What we need you to do is make them a little bit more complex, and the code is present in your book and on Google. It shouldn't take you very long to do this, but if it does, feel free to reach out to either me or Derek. Our contact information is on the Moodle page, so feel free to email us with any questions and we'll be more than happy to help.